Hey, what's up, YouTube? So right now, this is my bedroom. This is my, my little artwork. I got my computer and my sewing machine, and I got my books. It's my stuff. I know the place is kind of messy. I'll just show you right here. See, I keep all my kids' supplies and my art stuff here, and I also. Okay, so these are my mannequins. And this right here, this is all my bills, they homework from school. And this is, I decided to turn this into my dining room slash workspace slash office space. It's my dining room and over there.
You making a video?
I was recording, don't do that. Over there is the kitchen.
You making a video?
Yeah, I just have this stuff out here. It's my sewing supplies, everything. This is supposed to be in the closet right here. So, this is my area. So now you see what it looks like right now. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, this is also my closet. And, I have all of my art stuff in here. See? Zoom in better. Let me see if I can put the light on. It's late at night right now, so okay, so see, it's my art supplies in here. So, I got a lot of stuff. So I want to do more sewing and painting and drawing, more craft, and it's kind of hard because it's like I put my stuff away, and I don't have a lot of space. Also, I got more of my art stuff, my fabrics and stuff in here. You can see my sewing machines and stuff. Okay, so I'm giving you a tour of my craft room. I have some shirts here for my daughter. I gotta put logos on her shirts. So I'm gonna do that when I get the time. And this is my Singer sewing machine. And I always wanted a serger. I had one. I gave it away when this first came out. I was like, I have to get my hands on them because they were so affordable and it does everything. So it still works amazingly. Okay, so this is the heavy duty sewing machine. I just wanted a sewing machine that wasn't computerized. I'm not a big fan of computer sewing machines, to be honest. So that's why I got that one. This one I bought because I want an embroidery machine. And this only does auto punch. Cause I did buy the other one, which is over here. And I decided to get this one because at the time the editing programs, well, it's still $200 right now for one. So this one came with 3 programs. So that's why I got that one. And this one only had auto punch, I think it's called. So this one has the 3 programs. But now I don't have them because you could only install it once on the computer, unfortunately. And if y'all wondering why it's not working on your other computer, it only allows you to download it once. So the only thing I could do is upload designs or buy designs now, because I can't create with the program no more, because it's not downloaded on the computer no more. Okay, else I was gonna say, well, this is my cutter machine, the Pazo. I got it because I wanted to cut fabrics with it. And what else? I also use it for my kids' school project. Really love the machines. It's pretty cool. And oh yeah, I just got this machine. This is my new embroidery machine. I wanted it built-in computer embroidery machine because of my experience with this one. Like the Future machine that I have only works when you hook it up with a computer. This one works whether you hook it up to the computer or not. So I want to be able to embroider without worrying about hooking it up to the computer. So that's why I got it. So that's pretty much, oh yeah, this is my desktop. This is the Apple, the computer. These are the last ones that were made in America. I had this since 2006. It still works great. And this is the other desktop. This is the Windows. And as of this year, the internet doesn't work. Windows stopped supporting Windows XP, so now the internet's not working. If I knew, I would have tried to download more programs on it, but I'm just stuck with it now. And my Singer, as of right now, this feature only works with the Windows XP. I do have a new computer. I have Windows 7. I'm scared to update to Windows 10 because I heard so many bad reviews on the internet. So I'm going to just stick with Windows 7 for now. Unless the internet stop working, then I will upgrade it to Windows 10. Maybe I still might update it. I'm not sure if I would. I might. Okay, I guess that's about it. Also, I have the cutting board. If y'all see my video, I have this cutting board here, and I put it on the table when I want to cut fabrics. And this is like my dining room area slash kitchen area slash playroom area slash work area. So this is what I do here. Okay. So this is my workstation. So I'm just giving you a brief tour of it. Alright. And under the tables, I do have some bins. So I just put it under the table. So that's about it. So that's the tour of my craft room. So I'll see y'all later. Bye.